Want a thumbnail like this? Let's get into the video. Prepare the scene you want like this. Pre-comp it. Duplicate and mask the above layer. Start masking other characters. Also, please mask better than me. I had to adjust my mask again because I didn't do it properly. After you finish masking, adjust every mask's feather to 10. Now type any text you want with Chinese rocks font between the masked layer and the normal layer. Add deep glow and copy my settings. Now add drop shadow and copy my settings. Now choose a text color like me. Enable any stroke color and adjust its size. Add optics compensation effect to the text layer and copy me. Now add this overlay between the masked layer and the normal layer. Add key light effect and follow me. Now I'm just adjusting the overlay a little bit. Add bevel alpha effect to the text and follow me. Copy the effects in text layer and copy them onto the overlay now. Pre-comp the overlay. type your other text with April Fatface font like me. Copy the text settings again with this too. Now make a shape layer like me and position it. Duplicate it and position it. Copy those text effects again. I forgot to change the color of the text I am, changing it to red. Now, make the adjustment layer and add the thumbnail CC on it. The CC is in my Discord server, join there and download it. There you go now. There you go. Now you know how to do a thumbnail like 24K John. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. See you guys in the next tutorial.